I swear I don't think that I've put on makeup within like a week because the new Pokemon game came out on Friday. So it came out like 3 days ago and I've literally just been sucked into a vortex that is Pokemon Sword and Shield. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the brand new Boxycharm for the month of November. That is right, you guys. I did get this in the mail a couple of days ago. One thing I will quickly say is that I have been pretty spoiled for the stuff that's in here. I know two things because one of them I did actually pick, because now you can kind of like pick one item that's going to be in your box. So I did pick one of the items, and then the other one, it was all over Instagram. I can't wait to show you that. But the rest of it, I don't know. But I do know definitely about two things. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. I'm super excited. So yeah, if you want to see what is in this month's Boxycharm for the month of November, then just keep on watching. So let's go ahead and open her up here. The inside is pink this month. That's cute. I like that. And then this month's card, the theme is called Stalk'r. I like this card. It's kind of like, it's very pastel. Oh my god. Okay, so the literally first thing that I saw, let me put this up here so it'll stop. Flip it back this way. So the first thing that I see in this box is from Milk Makeup. I've tried a couple of Milk products. This is something that I've never seen before. This is really pretty. This is the Milk Makeup pink stick. What are you? It is a holographic stick. I don't know what this means. I don't use a lot of Milk Makeup stuff. I don't know why. It's not because I don't like them. I do. I have their highlighter on right now and I'm obsessed with it. And I love their primer. But the things that are in like this stick shape, I have never used anything like this before. So here is what it actually looks like. And this looks to be full size, but it looks really, really pretty. Oh wow, so this must be a highlighter. This has to be a highlighter. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know when I'm going to use a pink toned highlighter, but I think it's really pretty. Maybe we can use it on the eyes. I don't know if Milk says that's safe to do or not, but it looks gorgeous. The packaging is awesome. And then it looks like we have a little sample thingy here, and this is from Pretty Vulgar. This is their Undercover Lightweight Concealer, and it looks to have 4 shades: light, like a medium, a darker medium, and then a dark shade down here. So I've never used Pretty Vulgar's concealer. I'm excited to try it out and see what I think about that. We don't really get many things like this in Boxycharm. If this is like just an add-on, just kind of like something that they throw in there, that's totally fine. But if this is replacing an actual item in here, I don't want that to start happening. Next up, oh, this is the thing that I picked actually. This is the Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. This is really cool. Exclusively made for Boxycharm. So can you not buy this regularly from the company? Or maybe the size is exclusive? But it says, apply several drops of antioxidant dew to clean skin morning and night for best results combined with beauty elixir. Okay. So here is what it looks like. It is this blue kind of packaging. It is getting to be real cold. Well, not super cold, but it's getting into winter time here where I am in Tennessee. And my skin is definitely feeling that. My skin is becoming even more drier than usual, and that's definitely fun for me. So I've been really trying to do a lot of masks and serums, things that'll really hydrate my skin. That's the actual reason why I decided to get this thing here. And here is what it looks like, and it is kind of like a very milky texture. Kind of looks a little suggestive, but I'm excited to try it out. Let me actually feel it really quick and just kind of see what it feels like on the skin. Okay, so it feels very watery. It feels very hydrating. It has like a little bit of a sheen to it. You're not gonna be able to, can you see that? Like a tiny little bit of a sheen to it right there. Ooh, it actually feels a little bit sticky, like a tiny barely. That's really cool. I'm sure you could really use this as a primer underneath your makeup, especially since it has that tackiness. Next up, we have a couple things from Wonder. It's not Wonder Beauty, I don't think. Oh, it's a Korean beauty brand. This is not called Wonder. I think this is just the name of the mask, but it's Haru. But I love me some face masks. You guys know that. I'm obsessed with face masks. It is a berry antioxidant sheet mask, an intensive mask that works to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for a brighter, even complexion. So that is really cool. I do like face masks. Next up, we have this from Dose of Colors. I love Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. The first one that I ever got was also in a Boxycharm, I believe. It's the one that's called Truffle. I wear it a lot. Oh, this one's a red. This is in the shade Date Night. Here's what the actual component looks like, the packaging. And then here, oh my gosh, I love red lipsticks so much. So here is what this shade looks like. It is absolutely stunning. Let me swatch it. Oh no, it's totally red. I was thinking because the little wand looked more pink, maybe that it was more of like a berry toned red, but no, this is like true blue toned red and I'm obsessed with it. This is going to be my go-to Christmas shade this year. I'm so excited about it. But yeah, I love this. I'm so happy about this. So I will be using this most definitely. I honestly don't know that half the time when I talk, I start going into a British accent. And I really can't do a British accent very well. So I'm really sorry to anybody out there that is from the UK. Please don't hate me. I love your accent. And then the last thing, but certainly not least, we have the palette. And this is by none other than Dominique Cosmetics. And it's Kristen Dominique on YouTube. And this is the Celestial Thunder palette. Now this thing I know is tailored to be inside this box. She does have, I think, a palette called Celestial Thunder, but it's like a full-size palette and I think it's about this much bigger. It has more shades, but this one, I have used a couple of her palettes in the past and I really do like them. But this one right here is so pretty. But you have these two neutral tones, you have a beautiful pop of pink down here, you have this amazing like silver foil shade and then a pop of really like aquamarine blue over there. I'm obsessed with this. Oh, it looks lighter on camera. This is more of like a really deep teal color. I love this palette. I cannot wait to use this. But yes, you guys, that is everything that's in the box this month. I do want to go over the little card with you real quick. So, opening this bad boy up here. I'm sorry. So the Celestial Thunder palette is $35 retail. The Kypris oh my god, this thing is $90. Why? Holy, wow, I almost just cussed. Holy crap, this thing better do my taxes for me. The Dose of Colors liquid lipstick right here is $18. These two skin masks right here are $9. And the Milk Makeup holographic stick right here is $28. Wow, I really think the box this month had a really great value. So it was a retail value of $180 for everything that was in this box. And I really think that is really good because you pay like $25 a month for this box. This is not sponsored by any means. They do not send this to me. I pay for this with my own money and I really think that this is a good freaking box, guys. That has been the box this month. I really hope that you did enjoy it. What did you get in the box? If you got this month's box, what did you get? Also, if you got the Boxycharm Premium, let me know what you got in that as well because I think there was something from Nikita Dragon, Natasha Denona, a bunch of other really cool stuff, so that's super exciting. Let me know about that as well. But yeah, you guys, that is going to be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!